Lakes and ponds are amazing assets for residential communities. They serve as resources for stormwater collection and provide a communal area for recreational activities. Community lakes also elevate property value and add an element of beauty to the neighborhood. As a property or community manager, you are tasked with the job of ensuring the water bodies in your community consistently meet the expectations of residents, and it can be a difficult one when the water you're responsible for looks bad. Lakes and ponds are complex ecosystems that have the potential to enhance or cripple a community. It's not easy to avoid the complaints, costs, and liabilities associated with aquatic weeds, harmful algal blooms, bad odors, muck, shoreline erosion, and poor water quality. You shouldn't have to worry about your community's water body. When partnering with experienced lake and pond professionals, community managers can confidently make decisions about their water bodies and turn complaints about the lake into compliments. Solitude Lake Management is dedicated to supporting property managers by optimizing the time, funds, and resources that communities have allocated to maintain their water bodies. Our team of aquatic experts understand that community managers juggle many responsibilities and that the quality of community amenities has a direct reflection on their competence and dedication as a leader. Solitude is committed to using measurable, science-backed strategies to keep lakes and ponds from becoming another pain point. We accomplish this by providing the education and tools to help community leaders build proactive, sustainable management programs that eliminate problems at the source. Regular inspections and laboratory testing allow us to identify water quality imbalances and intercept them with tools like nutrient remediation, biological bacteria, hydro-raking, dredging, shoreline restoration, and oxygenation solutions. We know it can be frustrating when your community's water doesn't look its best. Achieving clean, healthy water that residents can enjoy is possible in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Set up a free consultation. Step 2. Build a custom management plan. Step 3. Enjoy worry-free water management. Our aquatic experts are ready to help you transform your community. Begin your journey to beautiful water today.